Hey guys, it's Casey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic photo like the one I'm showing here look a lot nicer just using saturation and contrast. So I'm using the Pixlr Express app, which is free, very easy to use, and I've gone to the adjust section on the left, and as you can see, there's saturation. Now I'm going to put the saturation up just a little bit, and as you can see, the colors are starting to pop a little bit more. They're starting to look a bit nicer, less gray. Then I'm going to come down. I'm going to go to the contrast. I always do just a little bit on the contrast. This is good right here at 9. Just makes the edges look a bit better, a bit darker in some spots, but it makes it look nicer. And then this is a little extra setting that I like to use sometimes as well. I will add the brightness, which is right above contrast, add that up a little bit more. And as you can see, the photo already looks much nicer. And you could use this for a YouTube thumbnail and add some text, add whatever you want to do. But the background photo or the singular photo that you have in the thumbnail is going to look a lot nicer. And so if I undo, we'll look at what it looked like at the beginning. As you can see, very gray, a little bit of white, very basic, doesn't look like anything special. And we'll go over here, and this is what it looks like after I added the saturation, the contrast, the brightness. As you can see, it looks a lot different, it looks a lot better before and after. Now I'm going to take some other pictures and show you what they look like when I add some saturation and contrast. So here we have this picture, and then here's the after. You can see it's brighter, it looks nicer, it looks cleaner. Then we have this picture, a little bit gray. The picture doesn't look all that bad, but here's what it looks like when we add saturation and contrast. It looks a lot better. And then we have this picture. Here's the after. You can see the colors pop a lot more, it looks a lot nicer. So that's all I wanted to show for today. And if you guys liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you prefer. And yeah, that's all. So have a good day, everybody.